I did it! I finally got myself a San Martin. Yes, I decided it should be pronounced in Spanish. Let's roll the unboxing. I gotta say, the moment I took the watch out of its box, I could feel the build quality from the weight. It's not heavy, but it's dense. I'll tell you why in a moment. Let's get this out of the way. This is a 1-for-1 copy of the iconic Tudor Black Bay 58. I call it the Bad Babe 58. It is the San Martin SN-008 GB. This watch is powered by the legendary Seiko NH35 with 21,600 beats per second and 41 hours power reserve. There's a ghost date position, meaning that you need to pull the crown to the second position to change the time. This movement also offers hand wind in hacking. When it comes to the case dimensions, we have 40mm case size, 48mm lug to lug, 11.95mm thickness, and 20mm lug width. The case is made of 316L stainless steel with a brushed finish across the case and a subtle high polished accented sides. The bracelet is also made from the same stainless steel material with all solid links, solid end links, a high quality milled clasp featuring 4 levels of micro adjustment. And did I say that the bracelet is adjustable with screws? The case back is plain without branding, and alongside the signed screw down crown, they both offer 200 meters of water resistance. On top, we can see the 120 clicks unidirectional ceramic bezel and gold bezel indices. The dial is black with the classic Submariner style indices with faux patina and gold borders. We have a standard minute hand with the iconic snowflake hour hand and the diamond seconds hand. The San Martin logo is in gold with automatic and 200 meters in gold as well. The whole thing is topped by a slightly domed sapphire crystal with anti-glare coating. The lume is very capable, lasting for a decent amount of time after a short light exposure. What does all that mean? Well, there's no question that this design is timeless. It is a beautiful watch to look at, but that is already a given with one of the most iconic Tudor designs of all time. The reason I say this watch is dense is because this is the best build quality I have ever experienced on a watch, period. It just goes to show that there are some Chinese brands out there that are worth considering. Talking about things that are worth considering, I would appreciate it if you would consider liking this video. Thank you. From the case, to the bracelet, to the bezel, to the crystal, everything looks and feels very premium, something that a lot of more established watch brands fail to offer. The action on the bezel is satisfying, without any backplay. The pros: affordable luxury, great movement, design and finishing of the highest standard at this price point. The bracelet is very good quality. Cons: it's hard to find something wrong with this watch, but if I had to nitpick, it would be good to have some brand name or specs on the case back. I wouldn't mind the stamp of San Martin on my skin when I remove the watch. In terms of styling, this is a watch that can be worn with anything but a tuxedo. It's a great timepiece that will make people ask questions. I bought this watch from the San Martin European website because that way I don't have to deal with import fees. It is also available on Amazon for 379 USD. I will leave a link in the description in case you are interested. One thing that this watch did to me is I really want to experience the Tudor Black Bay 58 now, but until then I guess I have the second best thing. Do I recommend this watch? Well, if you are like me, a fan of the Tudor brand, and would like to have the same watch as the BB58, can't justify paying that premium for now, but you are willing to do in the future, definitely go for this one. It's gonna keep you company while you save up for the real deal. So, what do you think about this watch? Were you on the lookout for it? Do you have a San Martin watch? I'm interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and leaving a like. Take care.